everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about 3 skills that are very much important when you are going to pursue MBA or even you are pursuing MBA. So there are 3 skills that should be there in you if you want a successful career after your MBA degree. So let's start with these 3 skills. First is leadership skills, second is communication skills, and last one is adaptability. So let's talk about first one, that is leadership. So it's about whenever you are in classroom and you are pursuing MBA, so you should not wait for someone else to stand up and to start communicating with teacher, or if some teacher is if someone is calling a student or if a teacher is calling a student, so you are waiting that someone else will go. You should not do these kind of things. You should stand up, you should go with, because these kind of things will help you to imbibe leadership skills. If you want to lead in your career, if you want to lead a team with you, if you want to become someone whom I am seeing you, I am learning something from you. If you want that kind of person, so you should learn and you should adapt some leadership skills. And also, it's not about bossing those or your team members. It's about taking them along with you. Whatever you are doing, you are also helping them, and whatever you are doing, you are taking them along with you, and you all are doing the same thing. So this is what leadership skill is. Next is, let's talk about communication skills. So suppose you are pursuing your MBA degree and your communication is not good. See, it's a very common fact. Even if I say so, I think 4 to 5 years back, or say 6 to 7 years back, even my communication skills was very bad. So I worked on it. You should also do the same. It's not about what there is something in which we are not good into and we are not trying to learn that thing. So that would be main disaster for your career. So if you are focusing on you are improving yourself, you are making changes in whatever skills you are lacking behind. Say communication skills, leadership skills. You don't have leadership skill, but you are learning and you are trying to adapt these skills in you. Next is, if you don't have communication skills, your communication is very bad, you can't you can't talk among say 7 or 8 people. You feel so nervous when it comes to stand up, when it comes to when teacher calls you and when you got a topic to talk about. So these are the things that you should do. People will be laugh at you. Maybe they will be thinking he is too, or say she is too young. How this person is feeling so bad? What's wrong with his or her? So these things you should not think about. These things you should focus on yourself. You should do your best. You should improve yourself, because tomorrow you will be leading your life with yourself, not with others. So you should focus on these 2 skills the most. And finally, adaptability. Suppose you had a lot of friends in your say BB or say engineering college, but now it's not about friend circle. You are not here to make lot of friends, because you already had done lot of fun with your friends. You already had a lot of friends. So now you need to focus on your career. You should focus on those skills that can help you for the long run. So if you are focusing on those skills and you are adaptability, say if you are if adaptability is coming in you with the environment, say if there is some changing environment, so you are getting adapted with that environment, that would be great for you being an MBA graduate. Because being an MBA graduate, I feel, though I am still a student, I am in 4th semester, so but still whatever I have studied, whatever I have learned from my college, I think no one can imbibe such kind of skills, such kind of knowledge and such kind of awareness in me. So you should also understand these things. Whatever say tasks are coming, you should take up. You should not wait for anyone else to stand up, because every college is full of opportunities. Not every, but there would be a lot of college. At least my college was good, so it was full of opportunity. If I am standing up, if I am coming forward to take up those challenges, so I was most welcome to take these challenges. So you should also do the same. Yeah, that's for today. Just if you are thinking to go for MBA, so just adapt these 3 skills that would be great for your career and it will take you in the long run. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll be coming soon in my next video. If you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and let me know if you want me to come up with any topic. I will be covering that too. So we'll be meeting soon. Thank you. Bye.